सर यू टोल्ड कि बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ आते हैं, पर कब पता चलता है कि वो परफेक्ट आइडिया मिल गया है मुझे?
Oh, there are, there is nothing known as a good decision. There is a decision and you have to make it good. There is nothing known as a good job. There is a job and you have to make it good. And there is nothing known as a good idea. You got an idea and make it good.
That's right.
By the way, there is nothing known as good spouse.
Doctor, though you have not done MBA, nor your wife has done, but you have 700 employees in your company. You must have MBAs in that.
Yes. I could not buy an engineering application form because that was a 5-year course my father could not afford. Today I have 120 engineers working under me.
Yeah, very good.
I didn't do medicine. Today we have around dozens of medical doctors working under me. And MBAs, जैसा आपने बोला 55,000 engineering colleges हैं, तो बहुत सारे MBAs हैं. In fact, it's very difficult to avoid an MBA inside a company. Gate खोला था MBA अंदर आते हैं. But let me also explain you. I have 1,000 employees. For all 1,000 employees, I am the first employer.
Right. Oh wow. So they are the first time taking a job. Somewhere.
Absolutely.
That's wonderful. So you give only job to the freshers.
You know why?
हाँ.
जब ये मेरा BSc मेरा खत्म हुआ 1978 में 50 इंटरव्यू में मैं फेल हुआ था.
अच्छा.
सभी लोग यही पूछा, डू यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस? तभी मैंने डिसीजन लिया, अगर मैं ये कंपनी खोलूंगा सिर्फ फ्रेशर को ही लूंगा.
Very good. Very good. That means I don't stand any chance to make application.
Absolutely not, because I can't have an employee above me, my age. Mean age of the company is 24 years. Mind you, an organization which 21 years old has mean age 24 years. I'm pretty sure G also has 26, 27 mean age.
Yes, 27 only. Yes. Any other question from all of you?
So,
Yes.
so the question is, sir, would you actually recommend practical experience over and above academic qualifications?
Experience is not something you need to have when you enter in an organization, because the organization has its own products, its own services, its own culture. You literally can learn everything. Why I take freshers is it is easy to teach them rather than wasting time on unlearning what they have wrongly learned.
Very well said. That's very good. Yeah.
So I don't think experience is something you really need to have, but once you have gone inside, you must learn very fast. You must learn before your neighbor learns, so that in the pyramid you are a slice above the neighbor.
Very good.
Academic qualification is not important. Experience also not important. Ability to focus is the most important.
Very good.
In my organization, we don't look at the qualifications at all seriously. But if somebody cannot focus, we can't retain them. The only single most powerful asset you can have is an ability to focus. You know, I want you people to go with 4 words in your mind. Focus, learn, grow, and enjoy. Please don't change the order.
I see. Wonderful. Don't change the order also.
Yes, because he will start enjoying first.
So repeat again for my viewers sitting at home.
Focus,
Yes.
learn,
Yes.
grow,
Grow.
and enjoy, and please don't change the order.
All right. Very good. Wonderful. Now, what would you tell the viewers who are sitting in the corporate industry, corporates, entrepreneurs? A lot of people watch this show. उनके लिए क्या, what do's and don'ts you will tell, like you have told today to the young people?
Don't do business for money. You will not do it for too long. Don't start a business to sell it. It won't be worth somebody to buy it. It's very important you start a business to give employment. When you start looking employment as your core objective, आप कभी रुकेगा ही नहीं है। मेरे पास आज 1000 एम्प्लॉइज है। रिसेंटली किसी प्रेस वाले ने पूछा आपकी नेक्स्ट क्या आपकी प्लान है, 1 more 0. So keep on adding 1 more 0 if you are running a business, and if you are a startup, please make sure you create an organization which you yourself would love to run for the entire life, and all investors will be keen to purchase that one only.
Very good. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming. And I have learned, I must say to my viewers that I have learned from Dr. Value Money. And I want to join his party very soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for coming. So ये एक लाइफ का अलग पर्सपेक्टिव आपने हमने सबने सुना, मैंने भी सीखा, आई एम श्योर आपने भी इस बात से सीखा होगा आज। अब आपने क्या सीखा आज? कुछ 2-4 मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ आप में से कुछ लोगों को जिन्होंने आज के इस पिछले 1 घंटे में जो हम BA के WAS कर रहे थे उसमें क्या सीखा आपने? That's another party.
सर आई जस्ट लर्न दैट हम ये बोलते रहते हैं कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम में शायद कहीं कमी है या थियरी है या प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, तो ये तो शायद अभी दूर का सपना लगता है कि कभी एजुकेशन सिस्टम बदलेगा, बट एज सर सेड कि यू विल नेवर गेट अ परफेक्ट स्पाउस, आपको उसे अच्छा बनाना पड़ेगा। तो जब तक अच्छा एजुकेशन सिस्टम नहीं मिल रहा है हम उसे बेहतर बना लेते हैं अपने तरीके से, ताकि हम बेहतर सीख सकें उसमें।
बहुत अच्छी बात, बहुत अच्छी बात। क्या नाम है आपका?
सर देवाशीष बागड़ी।
Devashish has understood very well. Bagdi? Okay, very good.
One thing I have understood over here is normally what has happened with us, we just follow the trend. Okay? Looking at the various personalities, we have understood that we should create our own trend. That is a new thing we need to start. That's
Yes.
the new thing I have understood from you.
Very good, very good. Yes. अच्छी बात है, yes.
खाना पीना, खाने पीने से हमें ताकत मिलती है। ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए एक ऐसा काम ज़रूरी है जिसको करने से हमें ताकत मिले और ज़िंदगी जीने का हौसला मिले। तो ये सारे दिग्गज लोगों के पास एक ऐसा काम है जिससे इनको खुशी मिलती है और ये अपनी ज़िंदगी इस हौसले के साथ जी रहे हैं। That is what I have understood today.
Okay, good. Yes.
I would like to say what I've learned in this past 1 hour is that inspiration comes from within. And if inspiration starts from here, from your heart, things can go right and according to you. अगर आप inspiration ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे तो शायद आपको वो inspiration नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन आप inspiration अंदर खुद खोजेंगे तो शायद आप inspiration ढूंढ सकते हैं।
बहुत बड़ी बात आपने सीखी है। ये एक हमारी फिलॉसफी इस देश की, जिसमें कहा कि अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, मैं ही ब्रह्म हूँ। ये बात इस बात को उजागर करती है कि जो कुछ आप करना चाहते हैं आपके अंदर भी उतनी ताकत है जितनी डॉक्टर वैल्यू मनी में है, जितनी डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा में है, जितनी बीना जी में है, जितनी सुभाष घई में है। जो लोग ये क्रिएट कर सकते हैं आप भी उतना या उससे ज़्यादा क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। ताकत आपके अंदर है, अपने अंदर समझिए, आपको अपने सब प्रश्नों का जवाब अपने आप से मिलेगा। कोई बाहर किसी से सलाह करने की कोई बहुत ज़्यादा आवश्यकता नहीं। अगर कंफ्यूज करना है अपने आप को तो आप 10 आदमियों से पूछेंगे तो 10 तरह के आपको सुझाव मिलेंगे। विद दिस थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस टुडे ऑन दिस DSC शो। आप सबको भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपको इस शो में देखने के लिए। अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
अगर आप भी डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा शो में भाग लेना चाहते हैं या कोई सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं तो हमें ईमेल करें। हमारा ईमेल ID है dsc@zmedia.slgroup.com या आप अपने सवाल हमें SMS भी कर सकते हैं। बस टाइप कीजिए DSC स्पेस अपना सवाल और भेज दीजिए 57575 पर।